Good then. You are having some experience in SAP. Okay. What you are expecting from this SAP BW? What is your view on SAP BW? Do you have any idea on SAP BW? You have taken some information from others. What is?
I have a little bit of idea that it is for reporting. That is what I have heard, that it is for reporting, and it uses databases in the SAP BW business warehouse
Okay.
system. Port
Okay.
the information to the management or to the client, whatever the condition may be, by by putting the queries or different types of information to extract information, especially from the data source, relevant information.
Okay. Okay. In this first session, I will tell you what is meant by SAP BW and how it will be useful to clients, and what is its relationship with transactional resource systems. These things I will tell you, and if possible, tomorrow session or something I will show you on the system. Is it okay?
What?
Tomorrow I will show you on the system. Today I will let you know what is meant by SAP BW and what is its relationship with transactional source systems.
Okay.
Actually, if you see SAP CRM, SAP SRM, SAP ECC, these systems are known as transactional source systems. Transactional systems means whenever users are doing transactions. Transactions means business transactions. Thus transactions will get stored in the SAP database of these systems. Whereas SAP BW system is known as OLAP system. OLAP means online analytical processing system. It will pull the data from source systems into BW system. On that data, we, as a BW consultant, we have to write queries which will give a meaningful output. There is two things. One is data and one is processed data. Every transaction is called as a data. Then it was processed and cleansed in transformations. Transformations means in source system, you are having, for example, are you able to understand or?
Yeah, but just go a bit slow. Because you're...
Okay. Okay. Tell me that because I thought you are following this. Actually, there will be two systems. One is transaction system and OLAP system. Transaction system is like transactions. Like if you see in SRM, if you want to create one opportunity, or when you are going with service orders, all these are called as a transactions. Am I right?
Right.
Yeah, those are called transactions. BW doesn't hold any we will not process any transactions. Means in SRM or CRM, whatever system it may be, you will have some transaction code where you will create the transaction, and the transaction will get stored in respective database tables. Am I right?
Right.
At BW, it will not process any transaction. It is OLAP system, online analytical processing system. What it will do is, it will take all the data from different source systems like the CRM, SRM, ECC, and it will store the data in BW system, that is warehouse. There are three major functionalities of SAP BW. One is modeling, and first one is extraction, second one is modeling, and third one is reporting. Modeling means there will be different objects will be there in BW. For example, those are like data store objects, info cubes, and info objects. And extraction means the process of pulling data from CRM system or SRM system or any other system is called as extraction. Reporting means Once everything was done, we have to, after modeling all the objects, on that objects, we have to write one query. One write means there will be drag and drop methods will be there. You have to drag and drop required objects, and it will form as, and a backend query will be generated. And when user runs that report, he will see the output. This is the actual process which will be going in BW, overall process. If to understand BW, we have to go in depth about this process. First, you have to remember, one is model extraction, second is modeling, and third is reporting. You may want to know but how these systems will communicate between each other. First, suppose SAP BW can communicate with different types of source systems like SAP source systems. SAP source system means transactional system. Source system is transactional system, like CRM system, ECC. ECC means whatever MMSD, all these modules will be configured in ECC system. SRM system. All these are called as a source system. In above this SAP BW system can also communicate with databases. Databases means like Oracle, MS SQL. These are called as a RDBMS, Relational Data Management Systems. And it can also communicate with flat files. Flat files means like Microsoft Excel documents or text documents. All these things are called as flat files. What is the use of SAP BW? Suppose in, yeah?
Whatever you are saying, can you also, like a board or something like an Excel file, can you slowly write it down so that I can absolutely understand what you're saying, even if I don't get a clear voice on some words, because I'm missing some words and I'm not understanding then what is the meaning you're trying to say.
Okay, I will tell you. 1 minute. Are you able to see my screen?
Yeah.
BW is OLAP system. SAP CRM, ECC, SRM are known as transactional systems. Transactional system means creating of opportunities, service orders, sales orders, POs, etc. What BW system will do? BW communication. With source system is through RFCs. BW communicate with all these source system by using RFCs. RFCs means remote functional calls.
Okay.
This is the thing. BW process three main processes. One is extraction, modeling, reporting, Extraction means how to pull data
I have
from.
also, there is HANA coming up. So is HANA taking over BW?
No. HANA is a database type of thing. What it will do means it will reside below BW.
It will what?
Yeah. Actually, database means, for suppose the HANA database will be there. On top of HANA database, this application will be there. That is SAP BW application will be there.
Okay. And for SAP BW, do you also need ABAP knowledge?
Yeah, little bit of ABAP knowledge is required, but no need of having depth knowledge.
So would you be teaching me that also?
Yeah, whenever it is required, I will teach you. Means on overall level, I will show you and I will teach you what is required for BW. Where we will use ABAP coding in BW, I will teach you that. If you are able to understand the logic and if you are able to, because in nowadays clients are not satisfied with one technology. If you tell that I know SAP BW, they are asking do you know ABAP also? Because for small codings they cannot recruit one separate ABAP for the project.
Yeah.
That's
So
why they are asking. Yeah,
right.
that is the reason.
Would ABAP, a little bit of like ABAP would also be part of this course?
Yeah. It will be a part of that course. I will teach you how to write that ABAP also, and I will show you some live examples where we have used that ABAP coding.
Okay.
This extraction is how to pull data from transaction systems. Modeling, how to store data. Reporting, how to present data to users. These are the three main processes in BW.
Okay.
Did you get it?
Yeah.
Yeah, one is extraction, another is modeling, and another is reporting. Extraction is how to pull data from transaction systems. Modeling is how to store data in BW. Reporting is how to present data to users. These are the main things, and the fourth one is like usage of ABAP in all these courses. These are the major four parts I will be covering in this course, and one more thing is that BO. BO means business objects. Earlier it was called as a business objects. Now it came as a part of SAP BW itself. Now combination of BW plus BO, they are calling it as a BA. Okay, Jyoti? This
Yeah.
is the major, these are the topics we will be discussing in coming days about BW in our sessions. And right now, do you have any doubts or please, what means do you want to know something? These are overall view of SAP BW.
Okay.
And do you have a CRM also? I think in CRM also some reporting features will be there. CRM will be something like related to BW when it comes to transactions. Like in CRM also there will be less number of transactions will be there. The same way in SAP BW also there will be less number of transaction codes will be there. This lot of T codes will be there. but you have to remember very little number of keycodes. Like RSA1. This is the main keycode in BW. Okay. In extraction, we can pull data from different source systems like SAP, ECC, CRM, databases like Oracle, MS SQL, flat files. Like
What is a file? Do you also
flat
need
files?
knowledge of SQL Server or Oracle
No,
Server?
no need of knowledge. I am telling SAP BW can pull the data from Oracle database and MS SQL database also. Not only SAP systems.
To learn SQL Server for this?
No need. I am telling that we can pull data. For suppose in MS SQL also there will be tables will be there. My point is that we can pull the data from that SQL server also for reporting purpose in BW. Like MS SQL text files.
Okay.
You want the main point is that why we need to pull data from these number of sources. For suppose in SRM you are creating one service order. There you will have the customer information. You want to know that whatever the opportunities that was created in your CRM system, whether they got converted into sales orders or not. In CRM, you will not have a full view related to sales orders. You can see only sales order. What is the sales order value or sales order amount, or whether the what is the ship to party, what are the other details you cannot see in CRM system. What SAP BW can do is that it will pull the required data from CRM, like what are transactions, service orders or whatever orders it will be, and it will pull sales order information from your ECC system. And when presenting the data in report by using the objects in BW, it will combine these two things. There will be some common point will be there, like sales order in service order and sales order in ECC will be same. It will give a full picture to the user, like from end to end picture, like what is the opportunity ID and what is the order number, and the same thing whether it got converted as a sales order or not, and if it is gets converted into sales order, what is the value of that sales order. All these details will be represented in one report. This is the main usage of use of SAP BW. And now you got some idea about SAP BW?
Yeah.
This is the main functionality what SAP BW will do. Means you can ask me if you listen from others or something like if you have some doubts, like whether it can do this one or whether it cannot do this one.
Not as of now. Do you also provide, I have just one question, like notes. Do you have notes on SAP BW? Will you also provide that as part of the course?
I will let you know, because I have to check whether I am having the full notes or not. But I am having the notes. If it is in soft copy, then I can send it to you. I think I will be having in soft copy. But whenever required, I will be sharing you the PPTs and documents.
Yeah, that is right. But okay, the notes you said you will be sharing, but you will tell me if you have or not.
Yeah.
Okay.
Uh, this is the overall view of SAP BW. Because
Okay.
if I go in depth, then you will get confused. And I will let you know what are the main objects. If you are having time, you can go through this also.
Mm-hmm.
Main objects in BW. Okay, Jyoti, basically main objects in PW modeling are info objects, DSOs, data store objects, info cubes, multi-providers, DTPs. DTPs means data transfer process, info packages. In extraction, the main object is data source, standard or generic. Standard or generic. And reporting, there will be operational reports and dashboard reports.
Hmm.
So, these are the main objects because you are too familiar with the terminology. That's why I'm giving that one. You may not understand what is DSO, what is infosys and all those things. But to understand the terminologies, these will be the main objects which I will speak more frequently.
Okay.
I will, I will save this file and I will send it to you. Yes, this is the overall view of SAP BW. If you are having any other things related to how it will work, after
No.
seeing this one, still if you have any questions you can ask me related to course what I will be covering.
No, I don't have any questions now.
Yeah. This will be the overall view of SAP BW and we will be talking about these objects one by one. Uh, uh, Tomorrow or day after tomorrow, I will list down the way which will be progressing. First part will be this one, second part will be this one, or third part will be like this. I will share you one document by noting down all the things what I will be covering. Is it okay?
Okay.
Okay. Then you can ask me if you have any doubts related. You are working somewhere in SAP CRM or
No, currently I'm not working.
okay, okay. You are planning to pursue career in CRM or SAP BW?
BW.
Okay. Okay, it will be good. I think SAP BW will have a good future because without reporting, user cannot have a visibility. For suppose if you are doing 100 crores of business also, without having a report, user will not understanding how business is getting progress. That is the main advantage of SAP BW. Because SAP BW always deals with historical data. Historical data means, for example, I will tell you how the usage will be. Last year in the month of August, you have sold 2000 cars. Based on that historical data, you can plan your manufacturing. For example, one car company is developing one report. We call them as a KPIs, key performance indicators. On basis of that one, they will take decision. In last year, in month of August, I have sold 2000 cars. So that they can plan that in month of August coming year, they have to manufacture more than 2000 cars. Based on the situations, what the market is going on, so that they can take the decision, which will save their time and money. This is the advantage of SAP BW reports. This is some little example, but the same thing, there will be the same different levels of reports will be there. Like operational reports. Operational reports means and daily based reports. For suppose I am a manager, I want to know how many, who are the salespersons, who are top 10 salespersons who are doing very good business. Then I can pull out the report and I can take on the last 10 salespersons also, so that I can make some action points and I can communicate with the salespersons directly as a sales manager. I can call them and I can tell that these are the lagging points during your sales. You have to improve this, or you can go in this way so that your sales will get improved. These are called as the operational reports. And dashboarding type of reports are something at higher level. For suppose as a company president, I want to know that how my different cost centers are performing. Cost centers means how much profit I am getting and how much investment I am doing. These are all called as high level reports. These maybe the president can see that on basis of monthly or quarterly or something like that. These are called as high level reports. And operational reports are which will be useful in our daily run. Daily run means day-to-day activities or improvement of day-to-day activities. These are the useness of SAP BW reports. And this is overall picture of SAP BW. Then how we will do that? That is in depth. That is technology or technicality of SAP BW. In coming days, we will be discussing about the technicality of SAP BW.
Okay.
Still, if you want to ask me anything, you can ask me.
No.
Okay, then shall we conclude the session?
Okay.
Okay, thank you, Jyoti.
Thank you.